Day in Equipment Deals. It is April 21st, 2022. We have a 1994 Peterbilt 379 short hood truck. It is a haul truck with a fifth wheel plate on the back. And this thing has been dolled up. It's got a 3206B model mechanical cat with a 10-speed Eaton 4 behind it and the 46K rears in the back. We're going to go ahead and give you a quick start video on this. It's been sitting. We like to show the trucks have been been maintained well if they have, and show the engines when they first start up. That usually shows all the smoke or any issues that it would have before it's warmed up. We're very transparent about that. So go ahead and give you a quick start on this truck, then we'll open the hood for you and let you see the B model cat. So again, this engine is cold. We've not started it. This will be the first time today. Turn that key on. Started right up. Good oil pressure, about 60 psi. It goes up with throttle. Now we'll go ahead and make sure it's out of gear. Show the engine. Nice chrome bumper. Now this engine, the customer states that it was rebuilt. We're trying to locate the rebuild paperwork right now at the moment. But as you can hear, it runs really well. And he states it's got about 600,000 miles in the rebuild. The truck itself has got around 991,000. We'll go ahead and verify that in the ad, so please look. Go ahead and pull that cap off for you, let you see any blow by. It does have an intercooler. As you can see, they replaced the exhaust downpipe. Absolutely zero blow by. Completely zero blow by. I will guarantee that. It does not have any blow by, and it's a cold start. And downpipe, it also has these pipes on the side here installed. Next video, we'll go ahead and give you a quick interior, exterior video on this nice, clean, restored truck.